The roar of the crowd grew with the sight of blood. Cold steel, sand bathed by red lifeblood. Only one will remain. Only one will be sung in legends for centuries to come.
Hi guys, and welcome to this last phase of construction of my arena. You can find the first part on my tutorial number 70. From the beginning I had in mind to build the cover for the tiers, so I recovered these very special aperitif toothpicks. They look like small forks and they can be combined to obtain slightly special wooden structures. For the sand of the arena, I first sprinkled the soil with a little diluted PVA glue, and then I used my sieve to get a very fine powder starting from my brown sawdust. For a more realistic effect, after using spray glue, I then added two sands of slightly different colors. I then easily created the balcony of the authorities, building it with foam. I added small details and assembled everything with hot glue, using a miniature to place the balcony at the right height. I then created a support for the wooden ladder, and I built a ladder in a simple way. Check out my tutorial number 4 to learn about my favorite wooden grain technique. I then completed the top of the walls with individual bricks, glued one by one all around the arena. I used the usual formula of Mod Podge, water and black acrylic paint to cover and protect the whole piece. Once dry, I used my airbrush for all the wooden parts, the stucco and brick shades, and for a general blending effect of the piece. I'm just saying one thing, it wasn't easy with such a large piece. I added more details, such little rings, part of stones, and you can see in the pictures these two statues are two chess pawns. I used this twine with a very interesting texture, passing it through the slots of the wooden forks. Once the turn of the walls was completed, I secured it with some superglue. At this point, the roofing sheets. I used toilet paper, resting it on the scaffolding and then impregnating it with the small tabs with the usual dark grey Mod Podge. Before it even dried, I used my airbrush to ensure that the red color distributed naturally through the wet paper. I used the same red for pools of blood in the sand, just few drops, and thanks to the toothbrush technique, for blood splatter on the walls. Yeah, splatter. Magnificent.